Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to set iPhone ringtone on Android. So first of all, just open the Play Store and just find the Zedge. So Zedge is basically a wallpapers provider or ringtone. So I will just already download it and I want to just open it as well. So here in the search bar, just type on it iPhone. So just select the third one option which is called ringtones and just play any of the iPhone ringtone which you like. Okay, so that's it. I want to just tap on it, and if you want to just set this ringtone on your Android device, so just tap on it this download option, and now just tap on it to set ringtone. So just tap on it allow of the Zedge permission, and again just tap on it set ringtone. So standard ringtone updated. So how you will just make sure, just go in the settings on Android device and simply just find the sounds and vibration, and here you will see the ringtone is on iPhone. Just tap on it. So in this way you will just have to set iPhone ringtone on Android easily. Hope this video helped you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.